Expreso Las Americas, or Express Roadway PR-18 as it's more commonly known in Puerto Rico, was built in the 1960s. The highway is 3.78 miles long and runs from San Juan to Rio Piedras, where it intersects with PR-1. The old highway needed to be widened to keep up with the increasing traffic. The area surrounding the highway was a previously cut landscape slope, and the Puerto Rico Department of Transportation, or PRDOT, wanted to save as many of the trees as possible. Anderson Vasquez of Behar Ibarra and Associates is a design engineer with over 30 years of experience, particularly in the infrastructure arena. Mr. Vasquez is always looking for new ways to make construction projects easier and more practical. Mr. Vasquez designed a unique soldier pile wall as a retaining wall in the widening of Express Roadway PR-18. Instead of wood or concrete lagging, Mr. Vasquez selected horizontal coal-formed sheet piles to use between the steel piles. Nucor Skyline produced both the HP 14x89 piles and the coal-form SKS-11, SKS-14, and SKS-16 sheet piles that were used for the soldier pile wall. The H-piles were inserted to design depth into pre-drilled holes and backfilled with concrete, taking the earth's lateral loads into consideration as a cantilever element. The coated SKS sheets were then installed horizontally, not only for a pleasing aesthetic, but to save time and money over concrete panels. Another advantage of using the coal-form SKS sheets is the weight advantage over concrete panels. Using concrete panels would have increased the weight of the wall 6 to 10 times over the use of SKS sheet pile. The partially buried row of SKS sheet piles was fully coated with coal tar epoxy to extend their life by 15 years and comply with the PRDOT's 75-year lifespan code. A drainage system was also installed in the cut behind the wall to minimize hydrostatic pressures in the soil. Nucor Skyline provided on-time delivery, engineering support, and project management throughout the process, making them a true project partner. Stay tuned for more steel sheet pile projects from Nucor Skyline.